Hi guys, welcome to Tech Press with yet another video. In this video I want to talk about how to get rid of these copyright claims on some of your video on YouTube. So this is the new YouTube dashboard, aka YouTube Studio. It's no longer known as called as YouTube dashboard, but it's called as YouTube Studio. This is where you manage all your content, right? And here you can see you have two options here, upload, and this is where you see the videos, manage your videos you have directly uploaded to YouTube. And this is where you see the live stream. So I stream games, and yesterday I actually streamed games, and after it took a while to get it uploaded to YouTube channel, right? Then now I see this copyright claim on my video. So at some point of my video I used a song in the background, so on that particular content someone has made a copyright claim. So before you deal with such situation, you have to be careful, because especially if you go right ahead to dispute the claim, you need to make sure that the content is either copyright free or you own it. Otherwise you shouldn't be going for a dispute. And here you can see that my video is ineligible for monetization. If you falsely dispute on a copyright claim, sometimes you could end up getting copyright strike. Copyright strike is different from copyright claim. So if you get a copyright claim, it means that you won't be able to monetize the video, but the copyright owner can monetize your video, monetize on your video. So any monetization, any revenue comes from that particular video that got the copyright claims will be going to the copyright owner's account. That's how it works. So if you want to get rid of these copyright claims, you can do a few things here. Now if you click this, you can see that view copyright claim details. Here you see this content found during this time. During this time I've got a copyright claim, right? So I can actually play it and listen to the music. If it's a music, if it's a visual, you can see that as well, so that you can decide what to do about it, right? So here I used the music in the background, so that's why I got the copyright claim. I actually got this cassette for the same music a few days ago. So we have a few options here. You either remove that particular part, you just cut the part out and remove it, or you just mute the music in the background. If it's a visual, you have to remove that particular part of that video. But anyway, here I have got a copyright claim on a background music. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mute this song. So you can actually replace the song as well. There is a new option here, and you could also trim out the segment. If you trim out the segment, as I told you, I think it's mostly for videos, visuals. So in that case you will have to remove the segments. But if you want to remove the audio, you have two options here. You either replace the song or mute the song. So it's better to mute the song, right? Especially when it comes to gaming videos like this. So to do that, just click this and click mute the song. So if you click dispute, you'll have options to dispute. You have a few options here, like my dispute isn't based on any of the reasons above. So I would still like to dispute this content ID claim. You see that? So you need to make sure you own the content, or the content you have used is actually copyright free and the claim is falsely made. So in that case you have to accept this and continue. Then you'll have some other options, like select a type, what kind of dispute you're going to make, and review the requirements and provide rationale. That's how it works. Then they will respond. So if you dispute actually wrongly without any legit reason, sometimes you could end up getting copyright strike by the owner. I mean, the owner could ask them to take your video down. Once you get the video taken down, you will get a copyright strike. So if you get a 2 or 3 strikes in a row, your channel will be removed from YouTube, and you won't be able to create another channel. So that's how it works. So make sure before you dispute that the claim or the dispute is actually legit. So I'm not going to dispute on this particular claim. I'm going to return back to this copyright summary and status, and let's see what to do. I'm going to mute this song. So here I have two options. Mute all sound when song plays. So it means that any sound in the background, like as you play games, there will be game sound as well as the music sound, right? So what you do is just you don't want to get your game audio removed. So in that case, it's a better idea to go with this mute song. It's a beta option, but it still works on some content. Sometimes it won't work on other content, but it just works on music mostly. So yeah, so I'm going to mute the song only. Okay, then click continue. So this process might take a while. If you are able to mute the copyright song, we'll update any viewing or monetization restrictions on your video. So it'll take a while because the YouTube will be working in the background to remove the audio. So it'll take a few hours depending on the length of the video. So and the video will remain in its current state until this process is complete. So anyway, I'm going ahead with the mute option. So it's now processing. So that's it. Once you get the audio removed, your monetization will be restored. Otherwise, you will still get the same ineligible icon on your video. In that case, the next option is removing the complete audio in the background, or removing the segment of the video. That's how it works. So I hope this helps. Please give the thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more videos, tips and tricks like this. Also gameplay. I mostly play games like Asphalt, Call of Duty and PUBG and some other games as well. So thanks for watching. Bye.